Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the second part of our Subnautica series. So let's get ready. So first of all, I got a message, which I'm gonna play.
Pre-recorded distress call.
This is Life Pod 6. I have a passenger on board. Coordinates attached. We've landed a kilometer from the crash site, but there's radiation in between us and the rendezvous. Request immediate assistance. 6 out.
Signal coordinates corrupted. Approximate transmission origin recorded to data bank.
I can make a compass, right? Wait. But that's expensive. Ooh, no, thank you. Okay, so today's goal is going to be to make a mobile vehicle bay. That's fair. That's one thing. And then I'm gonna make, yes. So I got this. And I'm gonna make my first like temporary base somewhere here. Yeah, that's okay. Yeah. This is alright. And I have a titanium. Nice. Yes, okay. Those racks will really come in handy for titanium at least. Do I have quartz? I do not have quartz. Okay. So I'm gonna find some wait, there should be a, I'm gonna need to make a battery for this thing. Wait, okay. I need copper, yeah, and a battery. Okay. There should be like a big coral tube where there's a lot of quartz, but I don't know where that is. I need to find it. Oh, there it is. Nice. Okay. There's a lot of materials here. Yeah. I'm gonna take everything, but first I need quartz. Okay. Yeah, give me the copper. I need that. Quartz, copper, nice. Titanium. Copper and give me quartz. Okay. Full inventory. I can drink. Okay. Quartz. Oh, I have enough quartz. Let's get out of here. No, thank you. Bye. Let's go back. Where's my base? Temporary base. That's. I'm not gonna be here. Well, this is not a bad spot to be honest, but okay, let's make a hatch. Can I get okay? A hatch, nice. Like this, and yes, I have enough. Okay, nice. Okay.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
And what can I make?
Power restored. All primary systems online.
Modification station. I'm gonna make a fabricator here. And lockers, yeah. One here. Okay. I'm gonna put everything away. No, that's I'm gonna keep the water. I'm gonna move my stuff off from over here to my base. No. Okay. Okay, I want a battery charger like now. what does it cost me? Wiring kit, copper wire, titanium. Okay, I can make this. Okay, give me the titanium. Now let's make a copper wire. And I am going back there to get some this way. I'm gonna pick up some bricks on the way so that I have titanium and some quartz too, why not? Where was it? Here, okay, nice. Over here. Wait, I can't kill you? I thought I could kill him. What the? Okay, anything useful in here? Quartz, no quartz, I don't need that, okay. I need silver. Okay guys, after I find some silver, I'm gonna be right back with you. Okay guys, I'm back.
Congratulations, survivor. You have exceeded your weekly exercise quotient by 500%. Data indicates that swimming was your favorite activity. Be sure to vary your routine for uniform muscle development.
Can you shut up already? Okay, so I found some silver, not that much, but I found some. And wait, what do I need for a battery charger? A wiring kit. Okay, battery charger, where are you? Here, okay, nice. I don't know. Here, okay. I have that, and I'm gonna charge this one. Nice. And now, for the second thing that I wanna do. I just wasted 4 titanium on this useless thing. Kill me, guys. Okay. I need an iron, titanium ingot, power cell, lubricant. Okay. That's doable. Do I have more iron? Yes, I do have more iron. I'm gonna make a lubricant. Yeah, and for a power cell I need 4 acid mushrooms, which is easy to get. 4, nice. Okay, battery. I don't have copper. Okay, nice. Battery. And I still need silicon rubber. Okay, and can I get that power cell already? Thank you. Titanium ingot. And a mobile vehicle bay. Nice, okay. Let's get this out. And let's make a Seamoth, I guess. Okay. Oh, it's not that bad. Titanium ingot, power cell, glass, lubricant, lead. Okay. I'm gonna put away my stuff so I have more space. I hate that I made this. Okay. Titanium ingot, glass. Wait, I'm already gonna make the glass. because I have enough, I guess. Glass 2 times. And I'm gonna go find some wrecks. Okay. I will be right back with you after I find the materials. See you guys. Message. Okay guys, I found some wrecks and I think I have enough titanium. I got some messages too, so let's listen to them.
This is Avery Quinn of Trading Ship Sunbeam. Aurora, do you read? Over? Nothing but vacuum. These Altera ships. They run low on engine grease, send an SOS. Help?
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Aurora, I'm out on the far side of the system. It's gonna take more than a week to reach your position. Do you still need our assistance? Over. I'll try them again tomorrow. Damn charter's gonna have us blowing our credits running errands for Altera. See what the long-range scans pick up in the meantime.
I forgot, wait, I can craft in here, yeah, I forgot. I'm so stupid. Okay, we already have the sunbeam. I thought the sunbeam is going to come later, but okay. Lubricant. And I have my lead in here. Give me the lead. Nice. Do I have everything? I should have. Wait, no. I forgot the glass. Give me. Okay, and let's make... Wait. Oh, and a power cell. Okay, after I make that, I'm gonna be right back with you guys. I forgot about that. Okay. Okay guys, so now let's make a Seamoth. Finally.
The Seamoth is a fast, safe mode of transport, but remember that swimming is good for your glutes and endorphin levels.
Yeah, I know.
Welcome
Oh,
aboard, Captain.
this feels so good, having a Seamoth. Now what? I mean... Now what? I don't have the multi-purpose room yet. I have no idea what to do right now. Well, I build my base. Okay, let's go explore some wrecks, like. Okay, guys, it's happening.
The quantum
It's happening.
detonation has occurred in the Aurora's drive core. The reactor will reach a supercritical state in T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. For your convenience, the radiation suit has been added to your blueprint database.
God damn, the wind. I mean, this cutscene always amazes me. Like, they did such a great job at this. Okay, so let's make a radiation suit. Do I have a lead? I have plenty of lead, but I need some kelp. Where is my Seamoth? Let's go. Nice. Gimme. Okay. Son of a... Okay. Fiber mesh. I need twice, okay. Okay, I have the fiber mesh and let's make the radiation suit. Nice, okay. But I want a rebreather. Ah, it's okay. I'm gonna put that away for now. This is charged. I'm gonna take this. So, thank you guys for coming to my video. I really appreciate if you subscribe and like, it means a lot to me. I decided to make like shorter episodes, like 20 minutes or something, no, 18 minutes or so, something like that. And I hope I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.